Welcome friends, and this is the part 3 video where I am going to use enumerate function which helps us to iterate the string or to print the string in a console. Okay, how enumerate function is going to be work? Let's see through an example. So here I will take an as a text or string value is a variable. Here I will take an as a Lingaraj Tech Hub, and when use the enumerate function for I comma v. Okay, in enumerate, within the enumerate function there is a string value colon print v. Okay, print v and end this. Fine. So through this way you can print the string. Okay, so here I is the index, v is the value, key with value. So here only the value going to be printed here. See, Lingaraj Techhub is coming out. So here the syntax, the form of syntax, the use of enumerate function is this. For I comma v in enumerate function, there is a string name, the string value which are going to be string variable, and it then directly we print the v. So you have to remember this thing, how enumerate general function is used to print the string. Fine. If you have further any doubt, go to the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get notifications. Thank you.